Hello, welcome back to our second tutorial. Yesterday we talked about the header, the header tag. Today we are going to talk about another thing that will be the paragraph and some other HTML formatting tags. So to start with, I would like to create a new file. So I'm going to go here, the new file. I would like to name it second lesson. Don't forget it's an HTML file, so you add the extension .html. Every HTML files has an extension .html. Then okay, so this is a fresh page that I'm going to work with today, and as we all know already, they have a special tag that always begins our web page. That will be just bring your less than sign, exclamation mark, then space, or you write doc type, doc type space HTML. Then you close it with a greater than sign. This is to tell your browser that you are going to, the type of document you are going to work with. It tells your browser the type of document you are going to work with. Then followed by an HTML tag. Open your less than sign, then HTML. Then you close it with a greater than sign. Now automatically the text editor, the R code will automatically add the closing tag, which is the less than sign, then a /, then HTML, then your greater than symbol. Then you open it, just hit enter to bring a space or bring it down. Then this HTML tags is telling the browser that you are going to create a website or web page. That's it. You're going to create a web page. So in between this HTML, the opening and closing HTML, we have other tags that it comes with, and that is the main tags that every web page must have. The first one is the head. So you just bring your less than, then write head, you close it, bam, then the code will add the extension to it. Then bring a space in between it. Then the next one is the body tag. Then open body, then close it, body. Okay, so the body tag contains the title of the web page, descriptions that search engines uses, the style, and others. I will come to that. So in between the head, you can write your title there. Open title, then you close it. This title contains the title of your web page. The title of your web page can be put there, and whenever you open it in your browser, the web page in your browser, you see the title there at the top there. Okay, that's it. Then let's come to the body. So whatever that appears on your web page or that is seen on your web page, it is being written or it is being done in the body, as I said yesterday. So today I'm going to work with another tag called paragraph. And here we don't write just with the paragraph in full, just write P, that's the P tag. So you bring your greater than less than sign, P, then you close it with your greater than sign. Then automatically the closing tag also follows. So that's it. So whatever that we write here, it is going to appear in our web page. That does not mean that without the paragraph, if we write something in between the body, it will not appear. It will. Let's try that one and see. Hello, I am second lesson. Second lesson. Sorry, second lesson. Okay, so you can just view it and see on our browser, and it is there. So what if you write something here in the body, it will show, but that's not the right way of doing it. To write any text or any article or something like that, you just have to write it in a paragraph tag. So let me bring my paragraph, my p tag. Let me move this one since I don't need it here. It should come after this. Then let me put it here. I open, then forward slash, then I bring my p, then close it with a greater than symbol. That's it. Let me save it. Save HTML2. Let me view it in the app for you to see. So that's it, and this is how it should be written. So that's how the paragraph look like. So now I want to just paste something here. So let me go and bring something. Okay, so I want to add something to it. So I want to create another paragraph, p. Okay, so in between the paragraph, I have to paste Control V. It is there. So this is the reason why I suggested that if you would like, you should use the hacker's keyboard, because it works like the normal computer keyboard. So this is the text that I have. Let me preview it for you to see the browser. So that's it. So I talked of, let me go back. I talked of writing something in the title. That's the title. So in between this title, let us write something here. HTML class lesson 2. So assuming this is our title, let's preview it and see in the browser. So if you want to, because we are not using a laptop or a PC, that's why you cannot see the title. So if you want to see, just tap inside here. Just tap inside this. Just tap inside this. Then you can see that it is here. HTML second class lesson 2 is there. It's just here. You can see it here. HTML second class lesson 2. So that's how the title of the page is. Now, so this is how paragraph work. So whatever that you want to write, maybe you want to write a story, or maybe like the bloggers, if you want to write a story, what you write must be contained in a paragraph, and you're not limited to the number of paragraphs you can use. You are not limited. You can even write a whole story in one paragraph. And assuming you want to sometimes bring a line, a particular line beneath, don't want it to continue, that you have a way of doing that one too. But let's go and talk about that one. Okay, so to do that, I taste, let me view for you to see. I tasted all that is sweet, but I found nothing sweeter than good health. And I tasted all that was bitter. You see, the and I tasted all that was bitter comes after the good health. Maybe you don't want it like that. You want it to come to the next line. So this is how we do it. And I tasted that was bitter. So let me see. Let's bring here my cursor there. Then hit enter and see. So you see that I have brought it to the next line. Let me preview it for you to see something. You can see that it is still there. It is still there. So let's go back. uh-huh. This is how you do it. If you want to if you want to bring a text to the next line in HTML is white space insensitive, which means it does not obey white space. So don't think if you bring a light space in something or a text, then which means it's going to appear the same as it is. No, HTML is white space insensitive. So to bring this text to the next line, we just have an empty tag that we use. We say I say an empty tag means a tag that does not have a closing tag, or we also call it a self-closing tag because it does not have any ending tag, and that is br. So you bring your less than sign, write br, then and a forward slash, then you close it with greater than sign. You can preview it and see. That is it. So you can see that it has brought it to the next line. So this is how we do it. So thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.